In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import supplier bills in Xero, and we'll get it done in just 5 minutes. This process is essential for anyone looking to streamline their accounting tasks, ensuring that your supplier bills are accurately recorded and easily accessible in Xero. Let's start by logging into the Xero accounting software. Head over to the Xero website and click on the login button. You'll then be prompted to enter your email and password. Remember to keep your login credentials secure and confidential. Once you've entered that information, click on the login button and you should now be on the Xero dashboard. From the dashboard, direct your attention to the top menu and locate the Business tab. Click on it and then select Bills to Pay from the drop-down menu. This is where you'll manage all your supplier bills, providing a centralized overview. Next, look for the drop-down arrow next to the New Bill button. Clicking on this arrow will present you with several options, among which you'll select Import from CSV. This option is particularly useful if you have multiple bills to upload all at once, saving you from the tedious task of entering each bill manually. Before you proceed with the import, Xero provides a handy template that you can download. This template is a great tool to ensure that all your data is formatted correctly before uploading. Take a moment to copy all your necessary files into this template. It's crucial to make sure everything is in the right place, as any errors in the format can lead to import issues later on. Once your file is ready and all the data is correctly organized into the Xero template, you'll be ready to upload it. Click on the Select File option to browse and choose the prepared CSV file from your computer. After you upload the file, Xero will ask you to select appropriate options for the address and tax. Be sure you select the options that align with your specific needs and organizational settings. Finally, once everything looks good and you've made all your selections, click on Confirm. This action will complete the import process, and your supplier bills will now be part of your Xero records, allowing for better management and tracking. And there you have it, a quick and seamless way to import supplier bills into Xero. This process not only saves you time, but also ensures that your financial records are up to date and accurate. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you find this guide helpful for your accounting tasks. Be sure to stay tuned for more tips and tutorials on making the most of your software tools.